What's up, Miami? It's your boy Miguel So Clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile, Miami and surrounding areas #1 choice. And today we're working on this beautiful organic natural weave area rug. And yes, enjoying the weather today in Miami. It's 68 degrees. And obviously, this rug is outdoors. And maintaining these rugs outdoors can be challenging as they require more frequent cleaning and are difficult to clean thoroughly due to their delicate materials. But I believe we conquered, and we delivered. Not that I believe the customer was super thrilled, super happy, super excited. Doesn't smell like cigar, doesn't have the cigar stains anywhere. It doesn't have any more wine stains. And we're going to top it off with Scotch Guard so she can entertain freely and enjoy this beautiful, organic, natural weave. Thank you for watching. Keep it clean, carpet, sand, tile.